been a long time. I've talked about gold and silver, and I've talked about the economy as well. See, first, the job data and the unemployment rate came out yesterday for the US market, the US economy. 64,000 jobs were added, which is beating the expectation. But another thing to be worried about is the unemployment rate hit 4-year high. So how is that possible? See, there were more additions in the labor market compared to the hiring, which led to the unemployment rate ticking up, but also the job expectations beating the estimates. And now even the revised numbers of August and September are showing a downward in the job market. But now talking about gold and silver, see, silver has given a crazy rally. I know it is working out pretty well. Gold is near its all-time high as well, somewhat. But the thing is, we will see tomorrow Bank of Japan's and Bank of England's policies, like they will cut or hike up rates. Most probably Japan will hike up rates by 25 basis points and England will cut rates by 25 basis points. But another data which might be a whole game changer for gold and silver, that is the US CPI data. If it is coming out cooler than expected with the unemployment rate taking up to 4-year high, that might be a whole game changer for gold and silver, and we might see a bullish momentum. But if you ask me right now, I feel silver has given a crazy rally last 1 month already. Gold is near its all-time high. See, we might see some profit booking or a bit of sideways market like I told you in October as well. But what do you think? Let me know your analysis in the comments down below.